Today, we will demonstrate the installation of the Watts battery system in a country house. 6 Watts modules, 9 kilowatts and 3 kilowatt solar panels. As a result, all electrical devices in the house will be fully backed up by our system, and they can work up to 3 hours in full autonomy. This summer was my daughter's birthday, and we wanted to have a big celebration with animators, special lighting and music. But suddenly, at the most crucial moment, there was a power outage, and it lasted for hours. We were thinking of possible ways to save the party. It was only closer to the end of the day that the power came back on, and we were able to have some fun. Nonetheless, the birthday party was successful, and she was happy. But we started thinking, what if the electricity goes off during the winter? That could mean that we would have a cold floor, icy water, and no other way to use the essential electrical appliances. Our house is entirely powered by electricity. Therefore, if the power goes out, it will be a huge problem for us. We started searching how to manage this solution, and we found for ourselves a solution: an innovative energy management system, the Watts battery. In addition to Watts modules, we also decided to install solar panels, because we want to be independent of power outages and the power grid, especially during spring or summer time. Solar panels will allow us to accumulate additional clean and free energy to use, so we feel safe and warm in the house. Another thing that influenced us to buy Watts battery is that this product is smart, and everything required is in one box. You do not need to purchase additional equipment. Besides, it is produced in Europe. Also, it is important for us that the Watts system is 100% eco product and does not pollute the environment. These modules are compact so that they can fit in the house. They can be placed in any corner and won't interfere with our life. The Watts battery is an innovative technological product that is sold around the world. The modules are traditionally installed next to the electrical panel. We have already been in this house, so we know the electric circuit of the house. Now we need to prepare a place for installing the modules and select a group household electrical devices that need to be backed up in each phase. As such, now we need to set up the correct power panel and take out the wires. Next, set up the modules. Here, we already have determined a place. Assemble the modules. Connect them to the internet. Connect the cables. All the necessary cables to the modules, and that is it. There are periods in this particular house that the electricity goes down for more than a day. Accordingly, when we do not have a stable source of electricity at all, the sun is the source that will charge our batteries during the daytime. And in the evening and throughout the day, we can use the energy accumulated by the Watts modules. It is a complete autonomous source of energy. These will be the loads that we will back up. These are devices when the power goes off, so that the house will continue to have electricity. All this thanks to our modules. These are such basic household needs: heating system, lighting, septic system and water supply. These are the devices. Also refrigerators with freezers. It is crucial for us to back up the boiler, because if the power goes off for more than 3-4 hours during the winter, this can lead to the pipes being frozen, and then when the power goes on, it will be hard to repair all this equipment. As I have already said, the solar panels have been mounted and connected to the electricity distribution panel. In this electricity distribution panel, we have DC circuit breakers to disable the modules in case of maintenance. We need to switch off the circuit breakers, so that these lines are de-energized. This is the line that goes to the modules. Also, there are surge protection devices installed. In case of lightning strikes, so that the equipment will not be damaged. We will now connect these wires to the modules after installing the module itself. The input and output phases will go along this wire to the electricity distribution panel. It is installed here. It is now in a disassembled state. It looks a little scary, but after installation we will show you, it will look much better. This is our original packaging. This is the same box as we deliver to all of our customers. Now we will unpack it. Here we have an instruction manual that every owner must read. Here is a small repair kit in case the bolts are lost, 130 amperes fuse, and a hexagon tool that can be used to unscrew the intermodular connectors. On the back cover for terminal connection. And the response part of the intermodular connector. It is all here. Keep it safe, don't lose it. Also, in the manual, you have the serial number of your device. Here you will also find full information on how to connect the module to the application, where to download the application. Here is everything. There is a table with which you can determine how long one or two modules will last, depending on the load. The size of the module is 36 by 46 centimeters. Here is the module itself. Here we have standard European sockets. Outputs: 2 AC 230 volt sockets, frequency 50 Hz, 4 USB 5 volts. There are USB connectors for charging. The module battery is 30% pre-charged at the factory. There is a safety switch. We turn it on and make the first launch. The modules turns on. Its electronics are loading. When the module is ready for operation, the yellow color around the switch button will stabilize. Here are several indicators. These are indications of various errors, an indication of grid charging, an indication of solar charging, and an indication of Wi-Fi connection. The module's indicator is now stabilized. This means that all the electronics have loaded, and now it is ready to be used and installed. We have completed the installation of the Watts battery system. We have 6 units with a power and capacity of 9 kW/10 7.2 kilowatts. They cover the boiler, the pumping equipment, all house hydraulics, the refrigerator, the septic system, the water filtration system, and the lighting. This is the critical load that is needed in the house. The internet router is also backed up, which means that they will still have access to the internet in case of a power outage. The whole house can now run between 24 hours and 48 hours in case of a power outage. And since we have 3 kilowatts of solar generation installed, during summer periods the house can potentially be energy self-sufficient, hence independent from the grid. Here is our Watts battery app. It can be downloaded from the App Store or Play Store. In this application we can see our installed system. This smart application allows you to remotely monitor and see all information about your home energy usage and energy storage operation. Here you can see sources of energy flows distributed by the module. What part of the energy comes from the sun and what part comes from the electricity grid. The modules combines these flows and saves money on electricity. Through the application you can track how the modules are being charged, how they are being discharged, etc. It shows the total battery charged, total capacity and power. By connecting to Wi-Fi, you can monitor the system operation remotely, anywhere in the world. We did a non-standard installation for this house. The system was installed on 3 phases, 2 modules in each, with the possibility of expanding the capacity to 45 kilowatts and up to 30 kilowatts solar panels. Have a look in our website for more details: www.wattsbattery.com.